welcome to your YouTube channel Study Mania SHUBH. What should we do today? After seeing this, you really feel suspicious, aren't you? So, today we are going to carry out an experiment by mixing these two. What are these, you ask? So this is baking soda, 1 tablespoon, and this is vinegar, 4 tablespoons. And we also have a balloon, a funnel, and 2 gloves here. Okay, so let's start the experiment. By mixing these two, it makes carbon dioxide, and then we will put this balloon here, and this balloon due to carbon dioxide will be get inflated. Okay, so let's start the experiment. We're excited. 4 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, a balloon, a funnel, 1 pair of gloves. Nice. So friends, as you see, this experiment has worked. This is very cold and this balloon has been inflated. So, how did you like this video? Did you like it? Or did you like this experiment? So, if you like my experiment and this video, you can like, share and comment to my video. And you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Bye.